Hello, Thomas. That's a mock-up of the windshield. I think you might have seen the mock-up before. We have the new glass, of course, already in, but it's over here in the storage bin, so we don't break it while we're finishing up. We did a final coat on the varnish on the dashboard, and we cleaned out the inside of the boat, and we got all the sawdust out of it, because we've been taking the floors in and out and so forth. We created kind of a mess in the floor. We got the tank straps in today, and we've got all the blocks made for the tanks. So we'll be putting those in. We hope to actually get it in today, but we didn't get that far. We'll be putting that in on Monday. Yesterday, my helper was sick, so anyway, we didn't get to work on it yesterday at all. And I'm going to show you. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We had another guy actually doing the prep for the varnish work, and I'm taking to the varnish room now and show you the pieces that we varnished today. This is the final coat on all these pieces. We have to do a final coat on the main hull of the boat, but that's your engine hatches. Final coat on the engine hatches. Final coat on your stern pole. Then we have the all the ceiling boards, that we removed again after we've had them in. We removed all the ceiling boards, sanded them, did a final coat on the ceiling boards. That's coat number 9. These are the seat frames for the 3 seats, and we did a final coat on those guys as well. So that's the progress for today.